Children are chatting and laughing. Sarah sits alone on a bench with a coat over her. A rich girl and her friends enter.
Hey Sarah, is that a school bag or a dustbin bag? No. Careful, if you joyful, all your shoes might fall apart.
They laugh and run off. Sarah lowers the head, hugging her back. Sarah enters with a little box and notices her.
Why that long face, Sarah?
Dada, why am I always different? Everyone laughs at me. I feel so small.
Small. Do you remember about the tiny lamp we light in our home at night?
Yes, Dada.
It's small too, Sarah. Yet it keeps us from stumbling in the dark. Maybe being small isn't the problem. Maybe what matters is how you shine.
The bell rings.
Go on, my daughter. Learn, play, try, see what happens.
Dada exits. Sarah lingers and watches. Scene 2. During recess in the schoolyard, children are eating their tiffins in groups. Sarah sits alone, opening a small steel box with just two chapatis. A girl passes by eats chips.
Hey Sarah, is that all you have for lunch? No wonder you are always weak.
She laughs and moves off. Sarah lowers her head, about to close the box. Just then, her teacher walks in.
Why are you not eating, Sarah?
My tiffin is so small. Everyone laughs at me. I feel so ashamed.
Do you know, Sarah? Even a single grain of rice can grow into a plant. What matters is not how little you have, but how much heart you put into it. So always remember, Sarah, being small doesn't mean being worthless.
Teacher takes each chapati from her box, breaks it and eats with her. Sarah smiles slowly, encouraged. Then begins. The recess ends. Scene 3. In the church. Sarah enters slowly, holding a sutra. She kneels before the altar with a candle lit in her hand, still looking thoughtful after the recess. The priest enters, notices her, and approaches gently.
Sarah, you seem deep in thought. What's bothering you, my child?
Father, today at recess, the girls again laughed at me. My tiffin was so small, I felt so ashamed. But then my teacher ate with me and said, even a little grain can matter. For the first time, I felt maybe I am not so useless. But what if I feel small again? What if I lose this courage?
Priest points to the candle which Sarah had lit one entry. He notices it and uses it for his teaching.
Do you see this flame? It is small, yet it keeps on shining. Do you know someone who lived like this?
Who, Father?
Mary, the mother of Jesus. When the angel told her that she'll be the mother of God, she was just a simple village girl. People could have doubted her. Life could have crushed her. Yet, she stood strong even at the foot of the cross when everything seemed lost, carrying in her heart one flame, the flame of hope. That's why we call her a Lady of Hope.
Priest gently places the candle in Sarah's hand.
If Mary could keep her flame alive through trials and sorrows, then surely, Sarah, you can keep yours alive too.
A small flame, but enough to light my way. Thank you, Father.
God bless you.
Sarah holds the candle close, eyes shining. Seeing hope, at hope, Sarah is busy in his works. Sarah enters, holding and carefully. She was brighter and more confident.
Dada,
Sarah, what's this candle you brought from church?
Dada, today Father spoke about Mother Mary. She wasn't the biggest or the strongest, but she carried the flame of hope in her heart. That hope gave her courage through everything. I understood something. I don't need to be rich or perfect or strong. A small flame, if I protect it, can light my way.
Do you remember about the tiny lamp I told you this morning, Sarah?
Yes, Dada.
I see it now. You found your light.
Teacher, friend, and priest slowly enter and stand around Sarah as if supporting her.
Life is not about what we don't have. Life is about what we give.
Every child carries a spark. When believed in, it can brighten the world.
Maybe having no flame faithful and do her world light inside.
This little flame inside me is called hope. With it, I will keep walking, keep shining, and keep believing.
Where there is faith, there is light. Where there is courage, there is strength. Where there is love, there is hope. Thank you.